In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove hissing sound on your videos in Filmora. So if you have an audio that is not clear and it has hissing sound, you can simply remove this using AI tools that are available in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and take the audio track and add it on the audio timeline. Also, if your video has the audio, there is no problem. Just go ahead and click on the track that you want to remove the hissing sound and then head over to this edit option here. So if you click on this edit, it will take you to audio. Now under audio, scroll down until you see the section called denoise. Now under denoise, look for hiss removal, and here we go. Hiss removal is here. However, it is turned off, so go ahead and toggle it on like that. And now you can go ahead and listen into your audio.
New CRM can feel a bit like,
and then adjust the level of noise you want to remove and the noise level as you listen in.
walking into a map.
And once you hit the perfect level, go ahead and click on OK. And now at this point, everything should be okay and your hissing sound will be removed from your audio. So that's how you can remove hissing sound from your videos using Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.